Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 4.1 from the chapter Profit and Loss. Okay. See here. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, that is a profit. Profit or gain. This is the another name for profit. To find the profit, this is the formula. Selling price minus cost price. Here the selling price is greater than cost price, so we will get profit. To find the profit, selling price minus cost price. Then if the selling price is less than cost price, then that is a loss. To find the loss, cost price minus selling price. This is the formula to find loss. If selling price is equal to cost price, that is neither a profit nor a loss. Okay. Now, by using these two formulas, we are going to find the profit and loss. So, first one, find the profit earned. Here, cost price is equal to rupees 180 and selling price is equal to rupees 200. Here, the selling price is greater than the cost price. So, we are going to find profit. What is the formula to find the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price is equal to rupees 200 minus cost price is equal to rupees 180. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, here 200 minus 180. Here 0. Here 0 minus 8 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow 1. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So, that is rupees 20. So, profit amount is equal to rupees 20. Is it clear, children? This is the formula to find the profit, selling price minus cost price. The next one, here cost price is equal to rupees 14,950, selling price is equal to 18,960. First we have to write the formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is, that is 18,960 minus cost price is rupees 14,950. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. 18,960 and 14,950. Here 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. So that is 4,010 rupees. Rupees 4,010. This is the profit amount. $4,010. Is it clear? Now we are going to find loss. Okay. To find the loss, what is the formula? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Here the cost price is greater than the selling price. So from the cost price we have to subtract the selling price. Cost price is rupees 300 minus selling price is rupees 250. Okay, now we have to subtract these two. 300 minus 250, we will get 50 rupees. So, loss is equal to 50 rupees. Is it clear, children? To find the profit, selling price minus cost price. To find loss, cost price minus selling price. The next one, cost price is 11,900 rupees. Then selling price is equal to rupees 9,950. Here we are going to find loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So rupees 11,900 minus rupees 9,950. Okay, now we have to subtract these two numbers, 11,900 and 9,950. Here 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 8 minus 9 we can't do the subtraction, so we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0, 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Here 0 minus 9 we can't do, so we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. So rupees 1950. 1950. This is the last amount. Rupees 1950. So to find the profit, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. To find loss, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. Then next one, we are going to find the selling price and cost price from the formula. Here selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Here profit is given means we have to add these two. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. If loss is given means to find the selling price, we have to subtract loss from the cost price. Then this is the formula to find the cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, and cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Here we are having formulas if profit is given or loss is given. Okay, by using this formula we are going to find selling price and cost price. Okay, first we are going to find selling price. Here cost price and profit is given. So what is the formula to find the selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, here cost price is rupees 800 and profit is rupees 200. Now we have to add these two. 800 plus 200, that is rupees 1000. This is the selling price. Okay, to find the selling price, here cost price and profit is given, so we have to use the formula selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So selling price is equal to 1000 rupees. See here loss is given, so cost price and loss is given, so we have to use the formula selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay, so cost price is rupees 8000 minus loss rupees 310. Now we have to subtract these two. 8000 minus 310. Here 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 1 we can't do the subtraction, so we have to borrow from 8. 8 will become 7. This 0 will become 9, this 0 will become 10. Okay, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 3, 6, here 7. So 7690. This is the selling price, rupees 7690. Is it clear? If profit is given means we have to use the formula selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. If loss is given means selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Is it clear? Then we are going to find the cost price. Here selling price and profit is given. So to find the cost price we have to use the formula selling price minus profit. Selling price minus profit. Here selling price is rupees 900 minus profit is equal to rupees 380. Now we have to subtract these two. 900 minus 380. Here this is 0. 0 minus 8 we can't do the subtraction, so we have to borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 2. 8 minus 3 5. That is 520 rupees. So cost price is equal to rupees 520. Okay, here profit is given, so we are using this formula to find the cost price. Here loss is given, so cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Okay, so selling price is equal to rupees 7000 plus loss amount is equal to rupees 110. Now we have to add these two. So rupees 7,000 plus 110 will get 7,110 rupees. So this is the cost price. Was it clear, children? So to find the selling price, we are having two formulae. One is when profit is given, then another one is loss is given. Like that, we are having two formulae to find the cost price, one for profit, another one for loss. Is it clear? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.